Khera Mikilsimgre is a traditional Garo village situated on the Williamnagar Sonsak Road, around 12 kilometers from Williamnagar town, the headquarters of East Garo Hills District, Meghalaya. The village falls under the Sonsak block and consists of 25 households. A few years ago, the livelihoods of the villagers consisted of jhum cultivation and daily wage jobs like stone breaking. The income from these activities were barely sufficient to make both ends meet for most of the households. However, the convergence and integrated action of the Soil and Water Conservation Department, the Horticulture Department, the Meghalaya Rural Development Society and the village community has brought a spectacular change in the lives of the people of the village. Beginning in the year 2007, the entire village is involved in strawberry cultivation and has become a successful model for any other villages in the Garo Hills.
Angni bimang ganja sangma. Negimang ya rungap pilit rungap Mikilsimgre is Garo Hills. Negimang ya no tinga chat hajal geni pri Julai 3 tarikuni tinga self-help group po takna nimang angat tangan apa cingimang kamko katala. Tinga ya strawberry kitnas kangde apa mangmangko we game Chaani agri mamung kamsolija aru kapan rango hajira thanapi chaani agri mamung kamsoli. Biriko November janis kangapa antioni aba chingi ki ode December ni last kapa bochot kapa saloni aba chingi March mi jauna phalna mana. Negi mung daw ya self-help group ko khuli mung ya strawberry rangko ki ani jamano sa chungni nokang rangko maintain kana chinga mana. Aro dao bisa di sana, yung agata manjau ba, dao di 50% ni kita cunga dak noktang na maintain kan naman na. Aro cungni neng nepat ke ba ya bagan ni kemen neng nepata cunga ya dao, bagan rango ya may parang ko fencing rang ko kana, fencing rang manjani kemen cunga penuhin dao program mo ya.
The Soil and Water Conservation Department constructed a dam on the Nengarak stream and the water from there was taken down by flow irrigation system through a canal covering the agricultural fields of the village. This has made the cultivation of strawberry a possibility in the village apart from solving the problem of acute water shortage. The canal water from the dam is also used for drinking purposes, thus saving a lot of precious time and effort of the village women. Apart from reducing drudgery, this also allows people to spend more time in the fields. Within a short period of time, the strawberry plantation has generated better income and created a sense of hope amongst the people of the village. 2 vehicles, a Mahindra pickup and a Mahindra DI, were purchased by the village community from the income earned from strawberry plantations. Apart from being used by the community, these vehicles are also used for local transportation to generate extra income. Confident after their success with strawberry, the villagers are also taking up cultivation of horticulture crops like burgundy, tomato and banana plantation. With more interventions, there is a definite potential for increasing the production and productivity of strawberry and other crops in Khera Mikilsimgre. The current production of strawberries from the village is insufficient to even cater to the local Williamnagar market. Across Meghalaya, there are several village communities like Khera Mikilsimgre which are capable of improving their livelihoods but are lagging behind due to problems of lack of proper irrigation facility, transportation, market access, latest agricultural technology, etc. With the help of similar interventions from the various government departments, these villages will not only be able to improve and diversify their livelihoods, but also raise their standards of living. IBDLP is an initiative of the government of Meghalaya to address such problems in a systematic manner. The horticulture sector has been identified as one of the key sectors in the state, and the horticulture mission is being launched by the Horticulture Department. All individuals who aspire to build livelihoods and enterprises in horticulture sector are welcome to visit the nearest EFC in your block, wherein issues of training, infrastructure creation, bank loans, marketing of produce, processing, etc. will be systematically addressed by the EFC and the concerned department.